In a healthcare or social assistance setting, if a challenging behaviour incident escalates, it is critical that systems are in place to ensure the health and safety of all persons present at the workplace. Due to the need to balance health and safety with the quality of care provided, a stepped response to incidents is recommended, unless the incident is an emergency that presents an imminent or immediate serious risk to health and safety. At any point during a challenging behaviour incident, workers may withdraw or retreat if the situation becomes dangerous. If you are caring for a client and the situation appears to be escalating, your first port of call will be to implement effective communication strategies and de-escalation tactics. Following this, at your earliest opportunity, you should always engage senior team members and, if possible, call a team huddle to discuss the situation and create a plan for managing the behaviour. This plan must be continually reviewed to ensure control measures and strategies remain effective. In a treatment setting, it may also be necessary to request a medical review of the patient and their current care plan. If the situation is unable to be managed by the persons providing care or treatment, trained security and clinical personnel may be engaged to assist in de-escalation if available. However, dangerous incidents may require a police response. For workers providing one-on-one care or treatment, for example, such as in a home care arrangement, workers must be aware of safe exit routes, and there must be a system in place for notifying police or emergency services where necessary. SA Health has released 2 infographics detailing their stepped approach to preventing and responding to challenging behaviour. The first relates to challenging behaviour by consumers or patients, and the other relates to persons who are not consumers or patients. Consider how your organisation can implement a stepped response to challenging behaviour that strikes the correct balance between the quality of care and the health and safety of your workplace.